What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video on removing the bolts from a shoebox door hinge. Let's get started. Now when you go to do these, this is the style of bolt. It's got a little tapered head on it, a Phillips. If you're dealing with an old door like this one here, they like to strip out. I would recommend to everyone, if you don't have the bit, I got this one from Harbor Freight and it is perfect size. I've probably removed, I've removed quite a few, and this is the only door that I've really had a problem with. And it's not because it don't grab the bolt good, it grabs it so good that when it didn't get from the door, this thing actually ripped the metal out of the screw. And that's all right. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna get those out. So hopefully you can see in there, I took my carbide here and just ran it down in there, cleaned out some of the metal, got some nice clean metal to be able to weld to. If you don't have one of these carbide bits, I'm sure you could do it with an old drill bit or something. I wouldn't use a good one, maybe one you don't care about. I have my welder set up to be able to do 1/4 inch right now. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start filling this in, get it nice and hot, and then kind of stop like a spot weld. That way it kind of bubbles up out of there. Doing that gives us a good weld to the screw already. And that little raised area is good for setting a nut on. This nut is just a standard 3/8 nut. And I'm gonna lean this door up, that way I can put it on here straight. That'll weld to our good weld that's already in there, our good tack. As you see, that gets nice and hot. And impact will bring it right out of there. So hopefully that helps someone out. If you haven't seen my channel before, hop over, check it out. Currently we got a lot of videos working on a shoebox that I'm working towards, because we're actually doing this car for Chris from Shoebox Central, and there's a lot of rust in it. So we're doing that. We're building it into a custom. So all that'll be future videos to come. So if you want to help me out, drop a comment down below, like the video, share, subscribe. You don't have to, but it does help me get my name out there more, so I do appreciate it. If you're on Instagram, you can hop over there to puddinsfabshop, give me a follow, and I'll see you guys in the next video.